For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a big move, the government of India banned 59 Chinese apps, including widely used video sharing app TikTok. The decision not only made headlines in India, but also across the world. In the latest, TikTok is considering the legal path against the ban on Chinese-owned platform. If reports are anything to go by, a Mumbai-based law firm could take the matter to the court. However, TikTok has not made any official announcement in this regard. TikTok is planning to approach the government next week, claiming that the app has not misused any data. Depending on the center's response, TikTok will decide on the further course of action. An argument can be made on the grounds of principles of natural justice, as the company was not even given a hearing before the ban was imposed. However, the allegations against them are very serious since they pertain to national security. In the past, courts have declined interfering against government action in such national security matters. TikTok is also looking into legal options on whether the matter can be directly taken to the Supreme Court. The IT ministry banned TikTok and 58 other Chinese apps, claiming misuse of data of users. The government said it received reports of TikTok stealing and transmitting users' data to servers outside India. Union Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said the government banned Chinese apps for safety, security, defense, sovereignty and integrity of India. Prasad said this will also boost several Indian app creators' opportunities. However, TikTok's India head Nikhil Gandhi said the app did not misuse the information of any user.
ByteDance team of 2000 in India committed to working with government to show dedication to user security, commitment to India overall. TikTok has not shared any information of Indian users with any foreign government, including China. TikTok continues to comply with data privacy security requirements under Indian law.
Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijian also reacted to the ban on Chinese app. Lijian said China is strongly concerned over the issue and will verify the current situation with the Indian government. Silicon Valley, the global IT hub, also does not feel sorry for the Chinese app, which is banned in India. In fact, Silicon Valley wants US to take a similar step against the popular app. According to a report published by state-owned media in China, TikTok and Hello apps could lose up to $6 million. TikTok was downloaded 112 million times in May, and a majority of the users were from India. As of June 30th, TikTok went off Google Play Store and Apple's App Store. Users who have the app can continue making videos, but the social media platform is officially banned in India. The government is yet to reveal as to how it plans to execute the ban this time.